Hey guys! Oh, sorry, I've literally just woken up, but I just wanted to do a little intro for this vlog just because this vlog was actually shot like 2 or 3 weeks ago, but literally the day I finished editing it and I was gonna upload it, my laptop just died. Like, it just would not turn back on, and so I had to take it to Apple, and it's been at Apple for 2 weeks now. Like, it's taken them this long to fix my laptop, but it's finally fixed. And I just really like this vlog, so I wanted to put it up anyway. You know, I haven't uploaded in a while, but yeah, that's because my laptop was with Apple. I've got it back now, so videos will resume as normal. So yeah, I'm back. Thought I'd just say that, and yeah, enjoy this vlog. Hey guys, so hold on, I don't know why I started this whilst I'm trying to reverse. One sec. Just consult the GPS. Alright, this way. Hey guys, so it is Monday the 7th of May.
Oh. Then turn right.
Okay.
Turn right.
Okay, I'm going. Today I thought I would take you along. I don't know why, I just had
500 meters at the roundabout. Continue straight. Stay on Lagos.
I had like the sudden urge to vlog this week. Today I am going to a cafe. I'm going to Little Bird Cafe in Northbridge. Felt like having a nice little breakfast at the cafe and like sitting there for a while and just doing my assignment. I did that in a cafe with Sophie, as you would have seen in my Shanghai vlog. We just like went to this cafe, which is really nice, and we like sat there and just did assignments, and so, for some reason I was like really productive. Like, I did not think that I was actually going to be productive. I thought today I would try that because I have so many assignments due next week. I'm just driving there now, so yeah, I'll take you along with me. Yes, my food has arrived. I got an Eggs Benedict. Watching Alfie's vlogs. Amazing. So happy. It's really scary. It's like 2 o'clock now. I've been studying. I got to the cafe at like 10:30, so I've been studying since then. I was so productive there, so I'm really happy. Excited for this new journey of studying in cafes. This way I can like go and discover all the cute cafes in Perth, which I'm really excited to do. So yeah, it was really nice. But yeah, so now I'm going to Mecca, which is why I'm in a car park, walking to Mecca now. I'm excited. I'm gonna try and not spend too much money, because I don't have money to spend, but you know, I'm studying well, so I thought I'd shop a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back home. I thought I'd show you what I got. So from the Body Shop, I got this Honey Bronze Shimmering Dry Oil. I don't know why, but I've been really looking for like a shimmery glowy oil like this. Yeah, it's just a shimmering body oil. It's not that intense, which I kind of wanted an intense one, but I feel like with body oils they don't ever make them that intense. But I figured I could just put this on and then like set it with like a, you know, like a powder highlighter. Got 2 liquid lipsticks. I haven't bought new lips in like such a long time, but this one here is called Windsor Rose, and then this one is called Crate Carnation. Nice and matte and opaque, so thought these would be great for every day, so excited for that. From Mecca, first of all we got the Beauty Loop box, which I'm so excited about. I'm level 3! This is the first time I've been level 3. I'm usually level 2, so I upgraded, which is super exciting. Got Hourglass, first thing I see. This is one of their new, like, the illuminating sticks. I'm super excited. So that's the color there in my hand. I just swatched it. The lighting is not the best, but it's such a pretty color. I have something from Drunk Elephant, which I've always wanted to try Drunk Elephant because their stuff just looks really good and I've heard such great things. The TLC Framboose Glycolic Night Serum, which is nice. Yeah, as I was saying, I've always wanted to try Drunk Elephant, but their stuff is so expensive, so happy about this. It's one of their lip glosses that's so cute. So I have this shade naked, I'm guessing. This shade here, SPL, that looks so nice. I don't know if I'd ever wear that, but that is so cute. And Midnight Cowgirl. Wow, these shades are amazing. I should have checked these out. Lastly, we have this Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliator. Okay, so that's everything that's in that box. Now for my actual purchases. I got this NARS Wanted Power Pack Lip Kit. It just comes with like 2 mini lipsticks, Power Pigment I think they're called, and these colors were just so pretty, and like you can still see the swatches there. I went over that with a makeup wipe and they just would not come off. I've wanted these for so long, I just never knew what shade, and so when they came out with this little kit I was like, this is so cute, and I love both of these shades, so yeah, I'll swatch these for you. Formula of these are also just so interesting. They're like really like liquidy, and they come out really like, they feel really thin. But yeah, those are the shades. Again, my camera doesn't want to focus. Then I got a mini Hourglass bronzer. This is in the shade Radiant Bronze Light. This is the bronzer right here, so I'm super excited. And then finally, there's the Too Faced Life's a Festival Peace, Love and Unicorns palette. Shade like sold this palette for me. Look at that. Like, it's so pretty. Again, the camera won't focus, but it doesn't matter. It still looks so pretty anyway. That is it swatched. Like, how pretty is that? It's so nice. So yeah, that shade alone, like that's the only shade I swatched and I was like, okay, I'm getting it. So yeah, I love Too Faced anyway. They're like one of my favorite brands. That's everything I bought today. Spent a lot of money as I predicted. But I'm super happy. I've had a really productive and great day, and it's still not over yet. Brushes all nice and washed. Oh my god. I always leave this way too long, and so I have like so many brushes to wash, but it's all done. I'm so happy. These ones with the rose gold and the black, they're all Cass Beauty by the way, just letting you know, a little promo. Watching Riverdale whilst about to go on the elliptical. This is how I work out, guys. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later. I had like the biggest craving for ice cream, so I went out and got some. Favorite ice cream place, Jersey Jack Gelato. Open till like 9 o'clock, so I love them. And I have like the best flavors. I got honey biscotti, so good. To be picking up my boyfriend from work, but he said he's like running a little late, so perfect time to get ice cream. And this place is literally like 2 minutes away from his work, so. Oh, so good. Today's been a little bit of a failure of a healthy day, but that's okay. I got a lot of studying done. Did some shopping. It's been a good day. Back. I got Seth an ice cream. Yeah. He liked my honey biscotti so much that he wanted me to bring him back, so yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah, good.
Yay! Morning guys, so it is the next day. And I've just made my breakfast. Doesn't this just look so good? I call this egg pea. People think I'm weird, but I love it. Oh, this is like literally the best poached eggs I've ever made. I'm so happy. I just finished filming a mini like video for Instagram, just like my everyday makeup routine, using a lot of like Cass Beauty products, of course. So on the new Lucas Silk Lashes for Cass Beauty, these are cruelty-free and vegan and amazing. I love them. And then I've got on the Summer Lovin' highlighter palette as always, and the Bambi liquid lipstick, which I love. So yeah, this is just my everyday makeup routine, deciding what to do. I'm getting kind of hungry, like hungry for lunch, and I don't know what to have for lunch. I'm really craving these like beef soup noodles from this little Chinese place near my house. I really want them, and they're so good, and like they're not too bad for you, but Seth and I have just spent so much money on food in the past like couple of weeks, so we've made a new rule where we're only allowed to get 2 takeaways a week. You know, if anyone else has this, but I feel like whenever I have a craving for something, that's all I want to eat. Like I could be starving, I could be so hungry, but that's like that my craving is the only thing I want to eat, which is like so stupid and like I don't know, but I really want the beef noodles, like I really do. We have an order to mail for Cass Beauty, and there is a post box right outside the restaurant, and then there's a few shops around that where I could find a Mother's Day present, so maybe I'll do that. I decided to go and get my beef noodles because I want some, and I usually can't be productive when I'm hungry, so hopefully if I get the noodles, I'll be able to be on a roll with studying and stuff. I told my boyfriend I was gonna go get the noodles and he was like, no, that's naughty. But too late now. It's really funny to me because I was the one that made the rule about 1 takeaway a week and I'm breaking it. These noodles are just like too good. They're just, this is the place. I got the goods. Yes. Now to remember where I parked. Okay, so I'm back and I thought I'd show you what I got for my mum for Mother's Day. But first of all, these are the noodles. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'll quickly show you what I got my mum for Mother's Day. Every year I always get her a cup. She never uses them, but I still get it. So it comes in this cute box. This is the cup. It's like a very me kind of cup. Like it's pink with rose gold packaging, which is like Cass Beauty. So felt like it was on brand for me. I got her these slippers that are like bunnies, and she's the year of the rabbit. And birthday is actually a week after Mother's Day, which is like, lucky her, she gets 2 sets of presents. But this is the Mother's Day card. How pretty is it? It's so nice. And then this one's like the birthday. What I got. Now I'm gonna eat my noodles. Yay. So I'm about to go to CX Works, but as I was leaving I found a package. It says Mac on it, so I'm super excited. I just wanted to stop here and open it because I'm leaving a little bit earlier than I needed to, so it gives me time to open this. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh my god, there's so much in here. Holy, oh my god. Look at all of this stuff. I did not expect to get all of this. This was sent to me, by the way. Oh my god. I wanted to try this. This is so exciting. Oh my god, Velvet Teddy. They sent me Velvet Teddy. This is my favorite. I already have like 3 of these, so that's so exciting. Thank you so much, Mac. That is amazing. So this is a Risk Taker palette. Look at all the beautiful shades inside, like the pink. Oh my god, this is like right up my alley. I really wanted to try this Fix Plus. There's strobe cream, 2 lipsticks. Oh my god. 2 mascaras, a lip base, Prep and Prime collection, lip scrumptious. Oh my god, Soft and Gentle. They sent me Soft and Gentle. That's so cute. Oh my god. Fun fact, this was the first highlighter I ever bought. And now I have it brand new. Literally, like, how amazing. Like, this was the first highlighter I'd ever bought when I first started getting into makeup. And now I'm getting sent it as PR. Like, how amazing is that? Well, thank you so much to the people at MAC who sent me this. It's so generous. I'll definitely have to do some looks with that. Oh my god, I'm just like so overwhelmed. Okay, I have to go to class, but I will definitely do some looks with that. Okay, so I'm at the gym. I will see you guys later. Wish me luck. Just finished up. So tired, but such a good workout. I love it. Now it's time to go home. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday. I've just finished filming a video. Super colourful and fun, and I'm loving this look so much. This is my filming mess right now. I did like a playing with new makeup video. Used this palette on my eyes, of course. Used some of the MAC stuff that I got yesterday. It was a super fun video to film. Just love how the makeup turned out. It's so much fun. I've just spent like the past half an hour trying to get good selfies of it. I hate when you like have really good makeup but you just can't take a good selfie and like the selfie doesn't do your makeup justice. Like it just looks so much better on like video or in real life, but a selfie, like I just can't take selfies. Like I don't know what's up. I just don't know how to take selfies. This is my makeup if my camera wants to focus. There we go, and I'm wearing my Cass Beauty Marley lashes. Yeah, it's now 12:14, so I've spent a lot of time filming, but I think I'm gonna take my makeup off, which makes me very sad because I don't want to take this off. I'm gonna go to a cafe again today just because yesterday working at home was not good. Like I did not get much done. I just could not stay focused. I don't know why. So I'm gonna try go to another cafe today because I really need to get some stuff done. And I have a body pump class to go to at 4:25. Do you think this makeup is appropriate to go to a cafe and then go to the gym? A bit later in the day and I'm going to a cafe now to study. I tried to do a little bit at home. I just like could not focus, so hopefully going to a cafe will help. I'll bring you with me. I don't know what this camera's focusing on. Oh, it's focusing on Justin. Okay. Cool. And I just got my food. I got waffles with banana cream, no, coconut cream and banana and peanut butter sauce. This looks amazing. And I got an orange juice. Just been sitting here doing my assignment. It's a good time. Already feeling productive, so this is really good. Hey guys, so I just finished body pump. I'm so tired now. Oh my gosh, my arms and my legs just like don't work. What? Apparently my brain doesn't work either. The walk from like the gym to my car just took so long because my legs would just not move. Like everything hurts. Anyway, I'm gonna go home. I finished my assignment, by the way, which I'm so happy about. So yeah, all in all, been a productive day. I'm gonna go home now. I feel like I just want to lie in bed till tomorrow. I'm so tired. Guys, I was just watching Shaaanxo's vlog and oh my god, watch.
It's exciting. Next up is a package from Cass Beauty.
Look.
So there are liquid lipsticks and lashes as well. This is pretty. This is the Northern Lights one. The other one's more tan bronze shades. Ooh, shiny. There's a makeup bag, which is really cute. Let's open a pair of lashes. They're a nice kind of like full but natural kind of length. They're called Clara. Pretty. And then we'll open up one of the liquid lipsticks. Let's have a look. This is how they look. This colour is called Bad Blood. It's a nice like deep red shade, so I have to try those out at some stage too. Thank you so much. Here we go. Thank you, Cass. That's so nice. I'll read this off camera, but
look how exciting. Oh my god, I was literally just watching one of her vlogs because like I watch every single one of her vlogs and then like, oh my god, I'm so, I can't breathe. And then yesterday in class, I found out that Michael used one of my lashes in his video. Look, this is him recreating James Charles's makeup.
The MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. I'm just going to...
Wait.
Now the lashes I'm going to be using today are from a brand called Cass Beauty. And these are in the style Marley. They're super fluffy,
oh my god.
Not too big because I don't want to
I'm literally freaking out. This is so exciting, guys. Oh my god. So I forgot to end the vlog, but thank you guys so much for watching this, even though it was an old vlog. I just really had like a great week that week, so thought I'd still upload this anyway. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I am back with more videos now that my laptop is not dead. But give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to watch more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!